Unlike conventional cone-bottom silos for storing dry bulk materials, the FlexAir bulk storage system features a flat-bottom, low-profile design that allows processors the option of locating their bulk storage requirements indoors. It also provides an efficient and proven method for handling and discharging poor-flowing materials. To demonstrate how effective the FlexAir flat-bottom silo is for handling poor-flowing materials, we filled one of our center discharge silos with sugar. We purposely allowed a bulk load of sugar to sit for a month. It's in poor condition, full of moisture, and thoroughly caked. Frankly, it would be a problem getting this sugar through an ordinary cone-bottom hopper. Like any bulk storage silo, the FlexAir system relies on gravity to move the material it holds into a conveyor. When the material becomes compacted, either due to its natural cohesiveness, the absorption of excess moisture, or the extreme pressure of a tall column of material over a small opening, the material may flow until it forms a hollow area. This condition, known as a bridge, stops the flow of sugar. Even though there's no visible evidence of a problem from the top of the silo, there's no flow. But in a FlexAir silo, the electronic level probe in the discharge outlet senses that no product is flowing and automatically turns on the small blower, which pumps air into the inflatable membrane lining the bottom and sides of the silo. The membrane gently pushes and rolls the material in on itself, filling the void that forms the bridge and restores material flow almost instantly. When the probe senses the material is flowing, inflation stops and the material resumes its natural gravity-fed flow. Until there's another interruption, such as the formation of a rat hole, caused in this case by compaction of the material and absorbed moisture. When the probe senses the lack of material flow into the discharge outlet, the blower turns on again and more air is pumped into the membrane. Again, by gently rolling and pushing the material toward the outlet, the rat hole collapses and material flow continues. The FlexAir system's membrane inflates as required, continually pushing the material past its angle of repose, causing it to collapse and gently moving the material to the discharge outlet. As the membrane expands, its non-stick surface helps keep it clean and free of material buildup until virtually all of the material has been emptied from the FlexAir silo. When the system senses total inflation and a lack of product flow, the membrane walls are deflated automatically and sucked back against the walls of the silo. The FlexAir silo may be refilled at any time and can be configured so bulk shipments can be discharged on a first-in, first-out basis. Like any bulk silo, load cells and other accessories may be added. The FlexAir flat-bottom low-profile silo design offers several advantages. By eliminating the cone bottom, which acts as a restrictive bottleneck, and lowering the overall height and profile of the silo, reduces compaction of the product and head pressure over the discharge outlet. It also allows the FlexAir silo to be installed indoors, often in the same room where the material is processed. The inflatable membrane does more than empty the material. It's virtually self-cleaning. Even oily or fatty materials like cake mix, fish meal, and titanium dioxide will simply slide off the non-stick liner as the membrane inflates.